Hello student, the question from the factors. How many factors does 3600 have? So 3600. So how many prime factors we can find? The prime factors are 9 into 4 into 4 into 25. 25 for the 100 and 9 for the 36 into 100. 3600. So 9 we can write like 3 square. 4 into 4 16. 16 means 2 to the power 4 into 5 square. So here it is a 3, 2 and 5 all are the prime numbers. So we are finding the factors in the form of prime numbers. So after that we have checked the here how much power it is. 3 over 2 power means square. So 2 plus 1 we have to take 3 into, as it is, 4 plus 1 is 5 into 2 plus 1 is 3. So multiply 3 into 5, 15. 15 3s are 45. So the answer is 45. So this is the correct answer for this question.